What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of America's Worst Police Force, Mesa PD. You're about to witness two Mesa cops violate my civil rights blatantly. Stupidity triggers anger for me, and you're about to see a whole lot of stupid. Now you'll notice how I'm 21 feet away, sitting down on a wall on private property. It's about to get interesting. These dudes are the stupidest cops I have ever met. You need to go away and do your fucking job is what you need to do. Give me your card.
Ron 13, just friends boat. Copwatch is here.
Are you calling back up?
I need you to stand over there on the sidewalk.
Stop. I know you guys want to push
So don't talk to us. Don't talk to us.
No, I'm telling you right now, you either need to get back to the sidewalk.
We're already a customer. You didn't get a call. You can't enforce nothing here, dude. Fuck off.
All right.
Give me a card or call a sergeant. You're not giving me unlawful orders. And I'm a customer here, asshole. Fuck you.
Here's the thing. This is a traffic stop. I'm
Okay.
not asking you to. I'm not trespassing. I'm telling you, you can.
This idiot's trying to. Give me your card.
I'm asking you to leave. Are you willing to leave, or do you need to go to jail?
That's unacceptable.
Are you willing to leave, or do you need to go to jail?
That's unacceptable.
Go to jail for what? I'm a customer here. I'm not doing nothing illegal.
You have to listen to me when I'm on traffic.
Are you threatening me with arrest? This sad and pathetic excuse of a police officer just told me that while he's conducting a traffic stop that I have to listen to him. Officer Wilson and Officer Christopher Ewan are liabilities to the Mesa Police Department with their stupidity and their ignorance. This is only a hint of the unprofessionalism and cowardice that can be found at the Mesa Police Department.
Are you threatening me?
No. Are you threatening? You have to threaten me with arrest to move.
Okay.
Are you threatening me?
I'll
move if I need.
If you won't move,
you're going to threaten? Okay. Did you hear this? You're threatening me with arrest. Give me your card. I need your card. This is the sidewalk right here. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is what a First Amendment civil rights violation looks like. This guy is acting under the color of his authority and just oppressed my rights and told me I couldn't be somewhere. Like I'm not a free American with the right to stand or move wherever I want. This video will serve as evidence item number 237 in my case that I'm building against Mesa Police Department. Give me your card. Give me your card, fuckhead. Card.
Sidewalk.
This is a sidewalk, stupid. Call your sergeant. Call your sergeant. Call your supervisor. Call your supervisor.
Are you willing to go back?
Dude, I'm already back. Is this your supervisor? Hey, call your supervisor. Supervisor. Wow, these dudes are fucking dumb. Mesa's finest.
Listen, I know you guys want to.
Hey, call a supervisor. Dude, we are good right here. Stop approaching me.
Move to the
Stop
sidewalk.
fucking approaching me. Are you live?
Move to the sidewalk or you're going to be under arrest.
If you continue to erode that public trust by failing to address issues, you're never going to be successful.
You're live right now.
I am on a traffic stop. Great. I am on a traffic stop.
Wow, you guys, you hear this?
I don't want to arrest you, but if you don't move back, you will.
So as you can clearly tell, we've gone past any reasonableness, and now we are just working on his ego. I wholeheartedly believe that this officer is too stupid to realize that every time he threatens me with arrest, an unlawful arrest, he is violating my rights. I am a customer here, stupid.
Go to the sidewalk.
We're on the sidewalk.
You're
Fuck
not on
you.
the sidewalk.
This
You're
is
right
the
there.
sidewalk, you
I'm telling
stupid.
you, right there.
This is the
where I want you.
sidewalk.
If you want to be right there, you're going to be right there. Do you see how close you are to my car?
Yeah, I'm
Go back.
21 feet away. 21 foot like your rules say. Call your supervisor, dude. Leave me the fuck alone. Go back to work.
Yeah, because of Mesa finance, leaders for public works.
Fucking idiots. Give me your card. You're standing there doing nothing. Give me your card.
I don't have a card right now. Later I will, though.
I'm going to complain and you're going to get found guilty of a policy violation for not giving me your card.
I said later I will.
What vehicle are you driving?
I'm trying what vehicle I'm driving. Later I will.
Smile for your thumbnail. Fucking idiots.
He needs a diaper. This chair need a diaper.
Hey, call your supervisor, Justin. Justin, call your supervisor.
It didn't print. I'm thinking just.
Justin, call your supervisor. For these two, I want to make a formal complaint right here when they're done.
I'm actually pretty sure one's already in route.
Good.
You have a diaper for this two?
What's up?
You have a diaper for this two?
I don't have a diaper for him.
How can you be the leaders of public safety if you're acting like a child?
I just got here.
Okay, you just got here, so put your dogs in their place.
We're not my dogs.
Put your dogs in the leash.
We're not dogs. We're not dogs.
Well, to me they are. I was on the other side recording and they didn't have a problem. I was closer than here. They didn't have a problem. Now they have a problem.
Like I said, I wasn't here for any of it.
No? That's the excuse all the time. I wasn't here. I don't know what happened.
I honestly don't.
Dude, this is private property. I haven't been trespassed. Fuck you. I'm a fucking customer here. Give me your card. Give me your card, asshole. Give me your card. There you go. You're live right now, so smile for everybody.
You understand me?
I want his card too. I don't understand nothing. Give me the other guy's card.
Hey,
That...
No.
No. Dude, I want his card. You're a
wanna give me
fucking
your
field
name?
training officer. You
Well,
know
then
what
have a
my
good
name
day.
is.
Have a good day, all right?
Does Mesa Police have a culture problem?
No, we do not. No, we do not. No, we do not.
Yeah, fuck you, dude. Smile, everybody. Get back to work. You're dismissed. Code 4, punk. Cause this is how you fucking punks act. Check this out. Walking through all your shit. Fuck you guys. What's up? Doing whatever the fuck I want. Give me your card, dude.
I'm trying to give you
Give me your fucking card.
Stand on the
Give me your
sidewalk.
card. Your shit is over. Fuck you. It's gone.
Sidewalk.
Dude, fuck you. Your stop is gone.
Okay.
Fuck you. Give me your card.
Really?
Really, give me your card.
I'm trying to give it to you, but he won't.
Justin, you better tell this punk to give me his fucking card, dude.
Just do it. Let's just hear.
Fucking Bailey. I need this dude's card right here. I need his card, Bailey. Failure to identify, huh?
How's he feeling to identify?
Because I asked him for his card and he told me no. And they just threatened me. Give me your fucking
Here's a
card.
resource card. I think you might like it.
So if you feel so inclined, feel free to call the Mesa Police Department and let them know what you thought of their officers' behavior towards us while we were simply recording them. Is your name and badge number on there?
It's just for you.
Hey, did you hear that little butt pimple? Here's a resource card. It's just for you. I think you might like it. What are you trying to do? Be insulting? You chicken shit coward? They threaten me with arrest right now for being right here, right fucking here, right here where their traffic stop is. Right here, Bailey. They threaten me with arrest. I'm a fucking customer here. Fuck you guys.
Hey, you keep yelling like that?
I'm allowed to yell. I'm allowed to yell. Do you have a complainant? Do you have a complainant for a disturbance? No, you cannot be a complainant, dude. Whatever, dude. Go back to work, you guys. Go back to work. This is the direct result of spending too much time at the gun range and not enough time with your face in a law book. You're spouting off nonsense, Kevin Bailey. What kind of dumbass cop thinks that he can be the complainant? Yeah, I'll see you on the next one, asshole. Don't say nothing to me. You cannot be a complainant, dude. You absolutely cannot. So in Kevin's underdeveloped brain, he clearly thinks that I don't have the freedom of speech, that I can't sit there and cuss him out. Are we noticing a pattern here, people? Are we noticing a pattern with Mesa Police Department? These people are liabilities, not only to the Mesa Police Department, but to the city of Mesa and its people. These people are going to hurt somebody one day because they're too stupid to know exactly what they should be doing. Hey, I just want to tell you, fuck you, dude. You're a piece of shit. Fuck you, punk. Hey, fuck you too, motherfucker. Fucking pieces of shits. What's up? I'm here. You guys want to fucking arrest me? I'm here. What's up? Fuck you guys. Every fucking time I show up, dude. Fucking punk ass cops.
What'd they say?
Fuck these cops, dude. Trying to trespass me and threaten to arrest me and shit right now for filming them.
Hey, thank you, bro.
Hey, you guys want some? Hey, hold on. I'm gonna put you guys down. Hey, hold on. Hey, hold on a sec. Hold on, you guys. Hey, here, come get a card, man. Check this out. This is what we do.
Oh shit.
Oh, I'm fucking mad right now. Always film the police. Oh yeah, it's on. I'm live right now. There's almost 100 people watching. Fucking cops.
There you go, bro. Thank you, bro.
Oh, you got a card?
Yeah, thank you, bro.
No, I don't need that, man. You're good.
You don't want no gift
No,
or
I'm
anything,
good.
bro?
Thank
Sure?
you. Yeah, yeah.
And like I said, you guys
It's a
just saved me
community
a lot of
service. We don't
trouble,
take
bro.
no money,
Seriously,
dude.
Thank
Yep.
you, bro, because they're about to push me, bro. So.
Dude, that's why they're fucking with us, is because they're doing something they shouldn't have been right now.
That's what they're about to do, bro. So like I said, I appreciate that so much.
Hey, you got it, man.
They took my gun and everything.
I saw that.
Just because I had a gun. I was like, I'm not even a felon. I'm allowed to carry a gun. You know what I'm trying to say?
You want to be on camera?
If you guys want to, sure.
Hey, so this is the guy they just had stopped. Tell them why they stopped you.
Hey, so they stopped me because supposedly I didn't have my headlights on, but they were on, and then I was honest with them, told them I had a firearm and stuff, completely honest, let them take it, but they were trying to get me to go and do other things that I was not complying with. So if it wasn't for these people right here, I'd be in jail tonight. So
They wanted you to
keep
get out of
on
the car, all
following.
kinds of shit, huh?
Exactly,
Yeah.
Keep following these people. They're doing dignity
Yeah.
right here, bro. This
Hey,
is
I
community
appreciate you, man.
service. Appreciate you.
Hey,
guys.
be
Thank
safe,
you, bro.
dude.
God bless you guys.
Hey, you too. Be sure to go subscribe to El Zorro Yiro. He's always got my back and is always out with me. Peace.